Luxury vinyl tile, or LVT, is a popular floor finish choice among our customers. However, it is important to verify with the manufacturer of your selected flooring its suitability to ensure it will not be affected by the temperature fluctuations associated with underfloor heating systems. With the many variations of LVT now available, such as click-in-place or glue-down, and various thicknesses ranging from 2 to 6 millimeters, it is important to ensure a stable, smooth, level surface is created before laying the LVT. We recommend using either the Wunda Duo Board system or a self-leveling compound. Both create a surface ready for laying LVT, so you can choose your preferred method based on your individual circumstances. All Wunda Rapid Response boards must be firmly fixed in position, and a pressure test must be conducted to ensure the integrity of the pipes before being covered. Ensure that all pipes are securely seated within their channels. Thoroughly vacuum the entire surface to remove any dust or debris. The system is now ready for your chosen method to create a stable, smooth, level surface. Follow the advice and instructions in the floor coverings information document. The only additional requirement is the installation of a temperature-sensing floor probe. To ensure a probe is included in your bespoke Wunda Rapid Response system design, simply inform your sales advisor about your choice of floor covering when placing your order. This crucial component ensures your underfloor heating is limited to the maximum temperature recommended by your flooring manufacturer. The probe head must be positioned so that it will be in direct contact with the underside of your finished floor. The 3-meter floor probe cable will need to be hardwired into a wall thermostat. Therefore, before installing the probe, you must decide on the location of your thermostat, ensuring the probe cable can be safely and discreetly routed. Avoid positioning it directly above heat sources, or in areas where it might be exposed to direct sunlight. Ideally, fix the thermostat at a height of around 2 meters above floor level. Once the probe has been installed in the floor, temporarily fix the tail end of the probe cable out of the way to prevent any accidental damage until it's time to connect it to the thermostat. By following these simple steps, you can confidently install your luxury vinyl tile over your Wunda Rapid Response underfloor heating system. For further help and advice, head over to wundagroup.com/support for more videos, instructions, and frequently asked questions to assist with all aspects of your installation.